Team-based learning normally follows a few steps. Step 1, the learners are assigned some kind of reading or asked to do some kind of self-directed research prior to the session. Step 2, upon arrival, learners take a brief knowledge test and are individually scored. Then they work in teams and they retake the test and turn in a consensus answer. And step 3, the groups work on problem-solving exercises that require their use of the knowledge that they were assigned. Normally, the group then shares their information with the rest of the class, perhaps in a discussion facilitated by the instructor. The pros of team-based learning are that, of course, it's active, it can foster higher-order thinking, and it encourages problem-solving. It also can use less faculty because you don't necessarily need a faculty member in every team. The cons are, of course, the number one and biggest one that we hear so frequently is something that in EduSpeak we call social loafing. And we all know what that means, is that some students don't carry their load or that the group goose around and doesn't really get on task. Another con is learner accountability, of making sure that all the learners are accountable for the information that they're supposed to be learning. And also another con is that sometimes learners are a little uncomfortable with a sense of ambiguity that goes along with team-based learning as they're working with their peers and there's no quote-unquote expert in the room. And it also requires orientation to the team and time to set it up.